What's up guys? Pwede nga bang i-substitute ang white chocolate sa condensed milk? Tara, pag-usapan natin. Ang white chocolate ay gawa sa cocoa butter, sugar, and milk solid. Mas kilala siya sa pagiging creamy, rich in flavor, and pale colors. On the other hand, condensed milk naman is made from evaporated milk, sugar, thick and creamy and caramelized flavor. So ano nga ba yung main tricky point na pinagkaiba nila? From ingredients, taste, and texture. The main ingredients ng white chocolate is cocoa butter, while naman si condensed milk, ang ingredients niya is evaporated milk with added sugar. So it's a big no guys na isa-substitute natin si condensed milk kay white chocolate. Oh no! From the taste itself naman guys, si white chocolate is rich and creamy and pale yung color niya. At pwede rin siya ng solid form. Then si condensed milk naman, it's more on sweet and caramelized flavor and more on liquid form siya. Ayun guys, magkahawig lang sila ng appearance pero hindi sila magkaparehas from ingredients, taste, and texture. Sana nasagot ko yung tanong nyo. Tara, kape na tayo. Bye!